And one thing when Vybz Kartel say and do good things, me not see nobody run with it, But as he make one mistake, so everybody run with it and drag him and bring him down. Big up Vybz Kartel for encourage youths them to stay away from violence. Yeah man, the artist say don't forget a girl and lock down and just pray on the future. You understand? Leave the negativity alone because is either under the ground or behind the bars. You understand? So the artists advise the youth them to live up youth man, hold up on your head, leave certain lifestyle alone. And we have to big him up for that because who feels it knows it. And from him come from prison, appear big move with see my make. Yeah man, so I encourage youth them say youth man, hold up on your head, leave certain lifestyle because it's not worth it. Remember, if you never know him, you not talk about it. So big up Vybz Kartel for encourage youths them.
Get on youth, you hear me? They are on poolside right now, I chill with my brethren them. My woman, they upstairs. Bro, stay far from badness and career. Please. Focus on yourself, dog. Make the man drown out and go fire the shot and beat up on yourself, dog. Love life and love God, brother. That my wish for you see me? Prosperity and long life. You see me? No bad man thing and a little loose thing, bro. And if you know you used to do them things, they still you have to go watch your head back, cause remember sometime when you lay your bed, you have to line it. But brother, especially talking to the youth, them where I think about fit on bad man, I want fit on bad man. Not for the schoolers and think that are the way. That another way mother get a girl. Locked down with a woman bedroom. Believe me, take it from me, dog. It's so me I say sing a blinger. So me I say Lenny. Bro, I swear to you, I'm not telling you no lie, dog. That a code, you hear that? I'm out.
Remember say them say Vybz Kartel a bad influence, And him have a lot of influence on the youths them, So I hope the youths them a listen and I take the good advice what the teacher what them say them look up to, I give them. Yeah man, because once you go in a certain game, it's hard to come out and you have to learn the hard way. As me say, Vybz Kartel is talking about what he knows. 13 years him do behind bars, understand? 13 years. So him know him a talk about. So the youths them will say them are Gaza fans. We are think about going into badness and a certain lifestyle. Uno listen to the teacher. Yeah man. Him uno say uno mentor. Him uno look up to. Him uno emulate. Him uno follow do everything what. If him wear a kerchief, uno wear it too. If him wear Clarks, uno wear it too. You understand? So him a tell you to do something good now and stay away from certain lifestyle. I hope you listen and take the advice. And I want to, you go always have a whole heap of people say them get prophecy for Vybz Kartel or them have advice to give Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, people always, I don't know. It look like say if most people get the most profit for Vybz Kartel or them have the most advice to give to Vybz Kartel. I don't see no next artist in Jamaica people prophesy about so like Vybz Kartel or give advice so. A real talk because this lady know she has say the Lord tell her to tell Vybz Kartel to stay low for the media before it's too late. So I go take a listen to her now.
The Scoop.
Adidja Palmer, also known as Vybz Kartel, thus saith the Lord thy God, stay low from the media. I have placed you in isolation from the media for a reason. This was an instruction God gave you the very minute you were released from prison to stay low from the media, and you're not obeying what God has told you. And because you have not followed this instruction, you are causing unnecessary warfare and attack upon yourself. God knows why he has told you to stay low. He knows why he is keeping you low from the media, Vybz Kartel. Take heed before it is too late.
My soul shall make its boast in the Lord. the humble shall hear of it and be glad. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt his name together. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears.
Well, I don't know what to say, because you see the media now, as an artist, you're half in the media. Automatically, you're going to be in the media. You understand? Because at the internet, we're living in an internet era right now, where at the media you stay relevant. How else are you going to stay relevant if you are not in the media? It better you say if you love certain life like the clubbing and the drinking and them something them could understand. But the media is where you stay relevant now as an artist. You understand? Yeah. So me not understand. As me say, prefer you say if you stop drink, stop go out the road at night time, get more rest, eat more healthy. Yeah, that me understand. But stay off the media, and the media you stay relevant. Cause even if you in the studio, you have to put out in song pan the media, YouTube, TikTok, IG, Facebook, because at this so you have to say right now everything there. You understand? Pan the media. Yeah. But Vybz Kartel, when him come from prison, he is such a God-fearing person. Always I talk about him, God. You know, yeah, me see changes. A lot of persons say him not change and them not see changes. But I see a lot of changes in Vybz Kartel. Yeah, man, whole heap of changes me see. He may be not changing party ways and so, but my God, man, at 13 years he spent behind bars. Who don't feel like stay more come out and want to live a little? Yeah, he miss out 13 years out in life. He might want to live a little. When he realize he might overdo it, he might go realize he's supposed to stop. You understand? Yeah, man. But in the meantime, as me say, I only hope the youths them are listen and take the teacher advice. Stay away from certain lifestyle, because at the end of the day, it not worth it. It not worth it. The only people who feel the pain are the family them when you not gone behind bars, are not gone 6 feet below. So you take the teacher advice and allow certain lifestyle alone. Whole heap of betterment out there, no future bright. Yeah, man, no just advocate for good and listen to the teacher.
Message to the ghetto youth, them, you know? Never give up. Just work hard for your goals and put God first. Now, a while ago, me and Mooney there, reason and thing, and I see a man a shot past on a bicycle, and I say, Mooney, watch there. And the dog laugh, and I say, no, long me no see a bicycle. And I there, reason, and I tell him, say, yo, remember one time back in the days when me a youth, me dying to own a bicycle. And you see it, with the help of hard work and the help of God, a whole heap of houses and cars, man, own, a whole heap of money, you see it? So remember that ghetto, you will never give up. Always work hard and put God in front of everything. Have a blessed day. I'm out.
When you hear that ghetto youth, never give up. You can achieve anything at all. You put in your mind to. You guys can achieve it. Never give up. Always follow your dreams and aspirations. You understand? Because anything is possible. Dream big, think big. Yeah, man, a positive mind bring positive results. A negative mind bring negative results. So, youth and youths, keep on your chin head up, keep on your chin up, keep on your head up, and think positive. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself, spread love. Walk good, I'm out.
Hey, Conley, up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boy put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Most of them are, them are the girls that like juicy beef. You know me worry. Timeless, time after time.